Did you know that one man fooled an entire bank for over 20 years by pretending to be someone he wasn't? Meet Frank Abagnale, the master of fake identities who became one of history's most famous con artists. At just 16 years old, Frank started small by changing the numbers on his checks, but soon he got much bolder. He pretended to be an airline pilot and flew over 1 million miles for free. He dressed up as a doctor and worked in a real hospital. He even became a fake lawyer and passed the bar exam. Frank stole over $2.5 million using nothing but fake checks and his charm. He studied how banks worked and learned exactly what to say to make people trust him. For years, the FBI chased him around the world as he jumped from country to country. Finally, they caught him in France when he was just 21. But here's the twist. The FBI was so impressed by his skills that they hired him to catch other criminals. Today, Frank helps banks protect themselves from the very tricks he once used.